She had this larger-than-life persona, this
Absolutely.
shock of unmanageable red hair,
Mm-hmm.
and this crazy voice, which may not have been quite as crazy as she led people to believe.
Right.
But the stories, Eva Tanguay with a hairpin was a scary sight.
Yeah, it was. She was known for wielding it at moments of great peril. At one point, she was touring and she was in Kentucky, and there was a guy who she had enlisted to sort of help her out, be her stagehand, and a bunch of local toughs had cornered him behind the theater after the show, and Eva grabbed a hat pin, one of these big long hat pins, and started jabbing left and right, and was later arrested for assault with intent to kill, which did not, was not the case. But she also allegedly once jabbed a hat pin through a theater curtain at the behind of John Philip Sousa, who had sort of bent over, and his buttocks had probably imperceptibly protruded a bit through the old theater curtain, and she couldn't take. She was very tense person, particularly on stage. So yeah, Eva with a hat pin, watch out.